So, welcome to next morning money coffee talk, and today we will check if we should invest as investor into Indian stock market. I saw on Facebook somebody mentioned the Indian government pumps so much money in economy and they are undervalued, and it can be possible, but should we invest there our money or money of my investors? So I will check it, and in like 5 minutes, just fast. A reason why I don't want to invest in Indian stock market is because if you check, in 8 years they deliver as a market exactly 0% performance or gain to my investment. You know, in 2012 it's zero, and after in 2020 it's also zero. All the market is completely flat. And if you invest, for example, just in US, you are making more than double the money in 8%. They speak about like stock picking, that you can find companies, but me as investor, I want to invest and go for holidays and then just gain profits. I don't want to spend 16 hours a day just checking if this company A or B will make me more. And even if I want to stock pick, why I should not watch on companies in markets that are growing in the time? You know, I can overperform, and we are overperforming 10 years, the S&P 500, but it's another video. But why I should be in Indian stock market and try to underperform or overperform zero when I can overperform something which gives me more than 100%, you know, double the money in 8 years. So for me, this is the basic mistake, because like millennials and money, they listen to Buffett, which is smart investor, but he makes completely different deals. And when he mentioned intelligent investor book, it's also a little bit different, because today the price of stock is not driven just by inner value. It's driven by, like, the stock is demand, and you know, it's about marketing, it's about how many people want to buy this stock. It's not just about inner value. You can find beautiful company undervalued and it will bring you zero profit because nobody wants to buy the stock. So for me, Indian stock can be undervalued, but the money is not there. The money doesn't flow to this stock market. Everybody likes now, so many people likes American stock market. So if in case there is some problem, like global problem like now, some global pandemic, every investor go away from these markets like India, China, Russia, and they put the money back to US or to some safe markets. So for me, India is not worth to invest right now. If you have different opinion, write it in comments and we will make episode 2, because I like India because the demographic is super cool, like Turkey also, but they have different problems. For me, this is simply not market I can invest in, just from the reason they deliver zero performance in 8 years. So why I should? I want to invest somewhere when I will without work make like 10%, 20% a year with no effort. Why I should invest in Indian stock market? No reason. So